Bank Insurance Officer category.
The sponsorship of this strategic event, our partners are all mutual. We really appreciate you being with us. I think this journey has potential to get bigger. And when Agri did whisper this to GMC in this room many months ago, that he wanted to partner with All Mutual to send some people to watch AFCON games. We really appreciate your support, and we look forward to having this from the AFCON staff incentive campaign get positive feedback. I also wish to appreciate the leaders of KCB Kenya. Anastasia Kimtai and I were here earlier. Agri Mudumbi and I talked for the collaboration, and the MBK team, Bank Assurance Intermediary, the support and the relentless effort that you put into this development of a business line is something that many years ago people didn't think of. The campaign that aimed at inspiring all of you to reach new heights and promote our bank assurance, general insurance products has yielded fruits, and that's the reason we are here. It has brought forth remarkable results. We do appreciate those. Energy and enthusiasm that we've witnessed towards the build-up to this meeting has displayed by each of you is truly commendable. We appreciate you once again for the work that you are doing. It's a beginning. It's always easier to get somewhere, and I know once this is done, the next ambition will be, can we take people to watch World Cup? So this achievement reflects not only your commitment to excellence, but also your ability to rise to the occasion when challenged to do so. You go above and beyond to contribute to the success of the KCB Group, our parent company. I'm very confident that this recognition will serve as inspiration for others to strive for greatness in their respective roles. People will be challenged, and next time we put a challenge, many people will come forth and give their best. In that we all win. I'd like to highlight that the strategic business partnership forged by KBIL and NBIL and All Mutual Limited has not only strengthened our position in the market, you know, we are a business, so we have to be sensitive to this, but it has also allowed us to approach the promotion of our general insurance business with a focused and innovative strategy.